Welcome to this series on how to build a financial model in Uniflow in under an hour with no financial background required. This is designed specifically for pre-revenue founders and early-stage business owners who want to raise funding from pre-seed or seed investors but don't know how to build a financial model or fully understand what investors are looking for or can't afford to hire a financial professional to build a model for them. Over the next few videos, I will walk you through a core sections of the platform, showing you not only how to build a model, but also how to understand what the numbers actually mean from an investor perspective. We will start with the summary dashboard, where you will learn how to interpret key metrics like cash balance, burn rate, runway, and taxes. I will also show you how to collaborate with co-founders, advisors, and team members from the beginning, so the model can be built together and prepared for investor discussion. From there, we will move into the growth, where we define your target customers, marketing campaigns, acquisition assumptions, and seasonal trends to build a realistic growth story investors can understand. Then we will go into sales, where we will set up revenue streams, pricing, and cost of sales to create the foundation of your revenue model. After that, I will show you how to analyze those revenues. First, using the AI Analyst to quickly identify improvements and potential issues, and then manually so you can clearly understand how revenue and margins evolve over time and explain them confidently to investors. Next, we will cover expenses, including operational costs, salaries, hiring plans, and capital expenditure, helping you show exactly how investors' funding would be allocated across the business. Once the core model is complete, we will explore different case scenarios to compare assumptions and evaluate upside, downside, and fundraising outcomes before moving into valuation and understanding your company potential value at an early stage. To finally, I will show you how to create investor-ready pitch deck directly from your model, along with the investor pipeline and fundraising tools that help you track conversations and manage your raise more professionally. By the end, you will not only have a complete investor-ready financial model built in Uniflow, but also a clear understanding of the story behind the numbers so you can speak with investors confidently and clearly.